Paryushan is here again, and today I'm going to show you a no onion, no garlic version of a very popular Punjabi recipe. So let's see the Jain version of Paneer Patiala. There are 3 steps to this recipe. First, I'm going to start with making the paneer filling. After that, I'm going to fill it up in the papad, deep fry them, and then moving on to the gravy. So let's start with this. Heat a tablespoon of oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanuts. Stir fry the peanuts in the oil for a few seconds. After that, reduce the flame and add in all the dry spices. A teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of sauf or fennel seed powder, and this is not roasted. Saute the dry spices for a few seconds. Reduce the flame, and next I'm going to add in 250 grams of grated paneer. I need a very dry mixture. So make sure you grate the paneer, wrap it up in a napkin and just put some weight over it for about 10 minutes. And then add it in the peanut mixture. Season it with a little bit of salt. Mix all these ingredients very quickly and do not overcook. You can turn off the flame at this point and just mix everything together. Cool this mixture down completely. While the mixture is cooling down, I'm still going to move on to the next step. I have over here 3 urad papads that I have taken, and now I'm going to dip it in water and moisten them. Make sure the papad is nice and soft. If you're not comfortable with making a roll with just 1 papad, you can layer and use 2 papads for 1 roll. Place the filling on the papad, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And now, let's just roll it. Take in the sides and make a tight roll. To seal this papad roll, I've made a rice flour slurry. So just take half a teaspoon of rice flour, half a cup of water and cook it till it's nice and thick and cool it down. If you're not making this recipe for Paryushan, you can even use plain flour slurry or even corn flour slurry. Time to fry these. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Don't let them turn brown, but just make sure that the papad is nicely cooked. And time to get them out now. The papad rolls are ready. Let's move on to the gravy now. So in a blender, I'm going to add in half a cup of cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of dry tomato powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a cup of homemade malai or cream. Grind all these ingredients together into a smooth paste. Try and grind it into a smooth paste. If you're finding it a little difficult, you can always add a little bit of water. Time to heat a pan. Into that, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in the gravy paste. Cook the gravy paste for a minute in oil. Let's add in 1.5 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Make sure there are no lumps. Let the gravy boil for at least a good 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop up the papad rolls. Salt to taste. Add in a tablespoon of kasuri methi. This is optional. If you wish to add, you can do so. Give it a good mix. This gravy is ready. Let's turn off the flame. Pour the gravy into your serving platter. No onion, no garlic paneer patiala recipe is ready. Do let me know in case you want to know more such Jain recipes. Do try this at home. Comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.